It's Fresh Cash Friday, boys. Let's go. All right. All right, all right. What's poppin'? Good morning. It's currently 9:28 or 9:26, 3:26 here in Hawaii. Welcome. Good morning. All right, so this morning the market kind of pushing back up last night and then just dumped a few minutes ago. At about like 8:30, the market dumped from the 11,300 level on the NASDAQ. Right now we're sitting at like 272 on the Qs. We'll see what happens here at open. Give it a little bit of time. See if we can't make some money today, boys. Let's make some money. Fresh Cash Friday. Let's do it. Together. Oh, together. Forever. Looking to make some money today, boys. Who's excited? Are you guys excited? Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Let's go. All right. So we're getting ready. The market got about 3 minutes here till the market opens. A little pushback off of that 11,060 area here. Watching right now 11,200. See, we start getting some selling to come in here. More selling. Like right now, let's see what happens. We'll give it a little bit of time. We got 3 minutes here till the market opens. And there's the dump. Oh, come on. Why do it now? Why not just wait 2 more minutes? 2 more minutes. All you had to do was wait 2 more minutes. Son of a bitch. Why? Come on. You gotta be kidding me. I wanted to go higher. I wanted to go up to like the 240 area. That would have been the area to get short. We'll give it a little bit of time here. We got 2 minutes here till the market opens. You can see right now the market kind of chopping around here. I would say there's a pretty good possibility of this dropping down to 11,100 if it can't hold this level here. So let's see what happens. 15-minute chart looking pretty bearish right now. Big old bear flag forming on the 15-minute chart here. Pre-market. So keep that in mind. We just dumped pre-market from the 11,300 area down there to 11,180 on the NASDAQ right now. So looking for a short here at open if we can get one. We got this level right here we're watching. And we'll see what happens once this ding 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 bell goes, baby. What happens when the bell rings? Be ready for some action, baby. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Let's go. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Like it up. Like it up. So here we go. Market should be opening any second now. Foxtrot making money already. Let's go. And there we go. Market is now open for business. See what happens here. A little squeeze up. Getting a little squeeze up here now. I can see this 11,200 area. See what happens here at this area. Just kind of waiting. Got some resistance yesterday at the 273 level on the Qs here, so let's see what happens there. Right now the market pushing up here. 220s on the NASDAQ. Having trouble there. I'd like to see a little bit more of a push up here. It'd be good to get short. Maybe push up to the 260s. Let's see what happens here. Getting a big old push up here, so we might want to be a little bit more cautious about shorting just yet. Wait for a real denial here. Look at that. Go, 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 go. Up to 260 now. From the 274 level. I mean, from the 272 level up to 274 on the Qs now. You can see the Qs here pushing up. We got that resistance right from yesterday at this level. So let's see if we're going to hold there. Or we're going to sell through it. Or push right through it, I mean. And yes, Monday is a holiday. So we got a 3-day weekend here. 3-day weekend. So pushing up into the 260 level, getting denied right now on the 15-minute chart at the EMA. We'll give it a little bit more time here to see first kind of first candles or so where they're at. Market showing some strength right now, trying to push up there. Big old boner candle here at open. Big old boner candle here at open right now. Do we push? Do we squeeze through the 274s here? Get through that 274 right here. Push up 275 area. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing, boys. A little selling here. As we push up. Oh, trying to get sold. There we go. Nope. No fill. Fuck. No fills there. Finally getting one fill. No fill. Oh, we got a fill. Now we're flat. What the fuck did I do? I don't know what I did there. Did something wrong. I was long from the 250s here up to the 280s now. So now pushing up there to the 274.50 area. Should have stayed long a little bit longer there, I think. Should have stayed long a little bit longer. So we got a lot of resistance there at the 11,300 level. We'll see if we're going to push up there to that level, get denied, get a pullback here. Oh, look at it. Just squeezing right now. She's going to 275. Just squeezing right now, boys. Here's that push up there. Got a big gap in the chart above this 276 level. If we somehow keep squeezing, there's a big old gap in the chart here. 276 up to 282 on the NASDAQ here. First 15-minute candle just going straight to the moon right now. Up there to the 11,300. Like to see a bit of a pullback here though. Getting a little overextended. Just a little bit. Looking like she wants 275 though. Looking like she wants it. 275 area. Let's see. Can she push up there above 275? 11,300 on the NASDAQ. So we get a little bull flag here. Maybe get a pullback down here a little bit, 274 area. Got the V-wap at the 273.50 just starting out here, so we got a little bit more time to get going here. Right now, this is looking like a bull flag, like it wants to break the upside here. And get up there above 275. Like I said, 276, above 276, it's clear skies, so if somehow we can get up there, I don't know if I keep saying somehow, but I think it's doable. So pulling back here, just kind of forming this bull flag. Let's see if we're gonna get an entry on it. See what happens. Just kind of waiting to see what happens here. If we're gonna get a this bull flag to break out. A little bit of trouble right now. Needs to hold this 240 level. So just kind of watching, waiting. If we can push a 275. We'll push up here. Hayden Huey said it's gonna drop. Let's see, do we get this break? Up to 275. Looking for a push up 275 here. Get above that 11,300 level on the Qs on the NASDAQ here. Looking for this push up above the 300s here. Taking a little bit of profit as we go. Push it up beautifully. Hayden Huey, I don't know if you were right, but I was right, baby. Let's go. There's that break up above the 300s here. Rock and roll, baby. Up to 320 now. Holding one contract. See if we get a push above the 320s. We're up to 275 now. Well, that worked out just beautifully. Beautifully. It was huge. Huge. Up to the highs now. That 320 area. See if we get a push through there. Through the 320s here. Beautiful little move. Bull flag breakout just like we wanted. Look at that. Ay, 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 papi. When you're good, baby. Little squeeze up there to the 320s now. That's 275. We're looking for a push, and there we got it. We'll push up to that 275 just like we wanted. Rewind the tape. Rewind the tape, boys. I told you. 275. 275, it wanted it. It wanted that 275. Rafa, let's go. I said 275. I didn't say 270. I said it wanted 275 out of that breakout. I know I said 275. For sure. I got it recorded. I'll rewind the tape right now. 275. I said it. We're looking at the Qs right now. This is the NASDAQ. Pretty much we're either looking at the Qs or we're looking at the SPY. I mean, it's two different charts, but pretty much the same action. The SPY trying to push up there. The SPY's got resistance right now here at this level, that 269 level on the SPY resistance. So keep that in mind, boys. Keep that in mind here. The Qs pushing up to that 276 level, which is resistance here. So like I said, over 276, we're going. Well, I wouldn't say we're going, but we've got a lot of air in that chart right there from the 276 area up to 282. Maybe just a big old massive bull day. Bull day. I told you yesterday that those shorts, man, you know, the market makers don't want to pay out on all those puts. They don't want to pay out those puts, baby. They're trying to make some money today, not lose a bunch of money. So now kind of just waiting and watching to see what happens here. If we get a little bit more of a pull. I would like to see more of a pullback here that kind of hold this area 300. I'm just waiting to see what happens here. Get this pullback to the V-wap would be really nice. 274 area again. And then take off. Oh, you know I love that. Give me a good V-wap touch, baby. I love me a good V-wap touch. You know I love me a good V-wap touch. Ooh, especially in the morning. Especially in the morning, boys. Watching this 275 area here. Another bull flag forming, looking like she wants to break the upside. 276s will be a target. See if we're gonna get that break here over 275.50. Would be my long entry here. Looking for a push over 275.50 to get long. If we're gonna get it here. Got a minute left on this candle here. Does it break to the upside? Let's keep squeezing here. 276 is in target. And having a little bit of trouble there. 275.50. Just not wanting to break through right now. So maybe get a little bit more pullback here. So getting that pullback, 274.50 now. Got the V-wap there, 274. It'll be interesting to see what happens here at the V-wap now. Do we hold the V-wap? Hold the V-wap and then squeeze, boys. Market trying to hold here, this level. Let's see if it's going to push up 276s. Got a bull flag breakout here. Another one. And having a little bit of trouble there on that reversal. Watching 275.50 here. Get that push up to 276 and break through this. Looking for 276 here. I can see a push up 276 from here. Get above the 340s on the NASDAQ. Looking for his push up here. 275.70. Looking for 276 here to push through over the 340s. Over the 340s. Like to see it here. Like to see it right now. Right now. Right now. Let's go, boys. Up $100. Give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. Come on. 276, baby. Push it. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, boys. All the way. All the way, baby. 270, 275.80 now. Up to that 340, trying to break through that 340 area here. Get through it, come on. Where are the bulls at? Where are the bulls? Push it. Looking for, come on. Having trouble there. Currently long for the 19s, so we'll see if we can push through that in the 40 area here. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it right there at the 30s, just to lock it in. It is Fresh Cash Friday. It is Friday. Gotta be on it today, boys. There, it's gonna push up now. So there's that move we were looking for. Once again, getting that break the upside up to the 276 now. The high on that candle, 275.94. Come on down to Party Town. So pushing up there, 276 right now. Thank you, thank you. We'll be here all day. We'll be here all day. Not all day, but we'll be here. So having trouble there at the 276 right now. That was pretty much yesterday's high. Was right here at the 276 level. Was yesterday's high there. So keep that in mind. You can see it right behind my head here. 276, yesterday's high of day here. Does she want to push through there? Looking maybe a little overextended on the 15-minute chart, but this momentum is being strong right now, and it looks like it wants to just push right here and get through that 276 already. Oh yeah. There it is, up to the 40s again, trying to break that 276 level here. Kind of just sitting back here, being patient, waiting for the next setup to come along. The SPY having trouble, not up to yesterday's high, so the NASDAQ leading right now. The NASDAQ up to that yesterday's high. The SPY having trouble at that 269 level, or 369 level, sorry. So that could keep the NASDAQ from going crazy right now. Normally, if the SPY is like right out of resistance and then the NASDAQ's like right out of resistance and you get a break on both of them, it's normally a pretty bullish indicator. Please be specific. What are you trading? How much money are you using? We're trading the NASDAQ. We're trading futures. I don't really know how much more specific I can be here. Seems a little demanding with that question. Little demanding with that question. Please tell me, I need an answer. You got it. No problem. I don't know why the basic, like, we're trading the NASDAQ, QQQ. We're trading the QQQ is the ETF. We're trading futures. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, baby. If you're new to the stream and you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Move your little mouse on over there. We got 100 people watching. We got 34 likes. We can pop off. Let's go, boys. What kind of mouse? I'm using a gaming mouse. Top of the line gaming mouse. Having trouble there at the 276 level now. Pulling back 275. Pretty hard. Rut row. Get ready, boys. So the market having trouble breaking through that yesterday's high here. And like I said, the SPY was kind of lagging. I think if the SPY was up at the resistance or the up to yesterday's high, we probably would have gotten a breakthrough on both of them there. But with the SPY being kind of still having trouble getting up there, the NASDAQ just not having that push through there. So we'll give it a little bit of time. See if we pull back down here to the V-wap. So let's see what happens here. We got about 30 seconds left here on this 3-minute candle. Did we pull back, touch the V-wap here? Huh. Got the V-wap at the 274.50 area here. Yeah, you can actually, so with IronBeam, the platform that I'm using for trading futures right now, you can trade on your Android, your iPad, your iPhone, your laptop, your desktop, your PC, your Mac, whatever computer has the internet basically, or whatever device. It's all cloud-based. All right, so there's that pullback to the V-wap now. Let's see what happens from here. Always a possibility for a reversal as well. The SPY looking weak. The SPY breaking through V-wap there, so this could be an indicator that we're gonna go lower. See what happens on the SPY here. 276. 367, sorry, like going back and forth sometimes you get like confused. The NASDAQ right now at the V-wap here. We'll see where this candle closes at. I got about 1:40 on this 3-minute candle. Remember, I like to see a close. I like to see candles close you know, before kind of figuring out like, okay, is this gonna go lower or is this gonna go higher? Got about a minute 20 now. We got that push up to the 276 level. We got that at least. So we got like right there, the high 276.06. So pushed right up to that resistance, got stuck, and now pulling back. The SPY looking weak here. The Q's looking weak here. See where we're this minute. This unless they like squeeze this back up here on this candle. I got 55 seconds here. 274 level will be a key level to watch. Can't hold 274, 273.50. I think we're gonna go lower here. Be a good target from like 274 down to 270. It's a long weekend. Yes, 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 yes. 3-day weekend, boys. It's a 3-day weekend. It's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. in, well, on the East Coast and stock market time. 10 a.m. here. And then in Hawaii, it's currently 4 a.m. Wee, waking up early, baby. So the Q is having trouble here, selling through the V-wap. Let's see if we get a little pushback up. We got a little bit of support, so I don't really want to get super short just yet. I like to see a break below this 273.50 level before getting short here. But we'll kind of just see what happens. If we get a nice little push up and get denied at that V-wap, could also be my short entry here. Just kind of want to see what these candles do. If we get a continuation of this move lower. I do like that we pushed up that resistance and got denied, so I would say in technical analysis terms, it's a pretty good sign to see that getting denied there. So now retesting that V-wap there. See what happens here. Get denied at the V-wap, start to sell, get below that 274 area would be, whoo, it'd be nice, boys. It'd be nice. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's see if we can make it happen. Move this market in the direction that we want. Got about a minute left on this 1 minute, on this 3 minute candle here. See if we're gonna get denied at this V-wap. The SPY trying to push back up here as well. So getting denied at the V-wap right now. See if we can sell here. Looking pretty good. Currently short on the MNQ. Oh, this thing's all over the place. We got some volatility, boys. We're up 60 bucks, 70 bucks on that trade. Got one contract. See if we can break a little lower here. Let me get a $50 bill. $50 bill. Give me a $50 bill. I'll take it. So a little bit of a bounce there. I'm not, like I said, I don't love that we're like right at that area. I want to see this break below 240 before I get super excited here. Before I get excited here. If this thing breaks below 274, I think it'll be a nice little short. That was 3 contracts. I just took profit as we are going. Hayden Huey's already a few whiskeys deep. It's his Saturday morning there in Australia. He's done trading. He's over it, he said. Don't want no more of this juice. Don't want no more. Can't handle the heat. Get out of the kitchen, boy. Let's go. So getting denied there at the V-wap, looking like she wants to sell through here. 274. I think it's going to happen. Break through 274 here. Get down there. 273. Let's get it. $274 bouncing. Come on. You know you want to break it. You know you want to break it. 274. Getting denied there at the V-wap twice. Got 20 seconds left here on this 3-minute candle. Looking for a break below 274 here. $274 again, once getting tested here. There we go. We're currently short. Looking for this move down here. Beautiful. Taking profit if it don't break through here right now. There we go. 273.50's coming. Yeah. We gotta get through this 273.50 level first. We're going. We're gonna get there. We're moving that direction. 274 breaking there. We got that support here, 273.50 right now. We get through that. I think we can get down here pretty quickly to the lows again. On my chart right now is a 13 EMA on the 3-minute chart. Market just trying to decide which way it wants to go right now, but let's see what happens. If it holds this previous area of support, there's a possibility to get back above the V-wap here, but looking for a break. The SPY get below that 366.50 level, and the NASDAQ, the Qs, get below 273.50 level. Is what we're looking for here. Market flirting with this 274 level, trying to hold here. Let's see what happens. Wants to go through there. It's just having trouble. The bulls are being ornery. They know that this level needs to hold. Back up to that V-wap there, 274.50 on the V-wap right now. This area holds. Maybe we get another retest, push back up. If the SPY gets above the V-wap, the NASDAQ gets above the V-wap, the Qs get above the V-wap, the SPY gets above the V-wap, maybe we can start to squeeze back up here. Was worried about this little area of support there on the 15-minute chart, having the EMAs there. So now can we push back above the V-wap here? We got this resistance 274.70 level, so we get above that. Maybe we start squeezing back up here. It was looking like we were just gonna crash down there, but just getting that support there at the 273.50 level. That's what I was kind of worried about. Well, watching. Kind of a tricky, this is a tricky spot right now, because maybe we get denied at the VWAP and then we go lower, or maybe we just get a big boner candle right through the VWAP. So it's tricky. Right now getting denied at the VWAP, so we got about a minute left on this candle. We'll see where this candle closes at. If it can't hold 274, I think it's done and we're going lower for sure. Anybody else feel that way? Tricky. The SPY having trouble there at the VWAP as well, so the NASDAQ and the SPY kind of at those key levels having trouble. But the sellers just aren't really coming in here yet. Getting supported there. You got 30 seconds here. On this 3-minute candle. All right. Kind of a not the best candle to close on there to give us a decision. Kind of close like right there again. Would have liked to see the close below 274 there. All right, let's see if we can sell now. Get this thing going, baby. Let's go. Get below this level here, 273.50s. Looking for a break below the 40s here, 240s. There we go, down to the 40s now, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, boys. See if we can break below the 40s here, 240s. Down there to 45, 44. Looking for a break below the 40s here. Give me a $50 bill on this last contract. And there we go. Beautiful. Down to the 40s. Being a little cautious still because we're right there where we kind of bounced at earlier on this candle. So even though if we do go lower, just a little worried that we might get a little bounce kind of off this level, but it might just go right through it like it's doing right now. So there it is, selling through right through there now. The SPY selling off hard as well. The SPY almost down to the open already. The Q has a little bit further to go, but there's that denial. We got the big old denial. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Down to the 30s, down to the 29s now. Charlie B, let's go. So down now, just continuing. Oh, should just held that. Fuck, it's getting murdered right now. So let's see if we get a pushback up here. It's $50 per contract for margin. Cali for life. It's it basically costs you $50. You need to have at least a minimum of $50 in your account. Well, more than a minimum, but for every contract that you buy, it's $50 in margin, basically. I don't know how. It's not like I don't know how else to explain that. But if you have like $1,000 account, you know, every contract you buy is $50 in margin. That's not the fee to buy it. It's just the cover. You need that money to cover the cost of buying the margin or whatever. I don't even. Fuck. Why is it so hard to explain? Margin. How do you explain margin? Basically, you need that money to make a trade. All right, so we're selling here. Fuck. Sell, sell, sell. We get below this 220 level. I mean, I never trade overnight, so I don't even know the overnight requirements. If you have any questions at all about futures, about trading, the best people to talk to are probably the actual company themselves. So there's a link there. You can hit them up. They have an online chat, or you can give them a call. They'll answer all your questions. Do I actually share when I trade? I don't know. Have I shared my, I don't know. I don't give like exact alerts on like entering and exiting, but I feel like we kind of talk about entries and ideas for trades. Yeah. I'm not telling people like, hey, buy, sell here, sell here. So the green line on the chart is which one? On the other chart is the EMA. Market continuing to sell here. Wow. Going low, 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 down to the 200s already, 11,200. There it is, down there to 272, 272 now on the Qs here. Getting absolutely demolished here once we broke through that V-wap and getting stuck there. It was a bull trap. It was a bull trap. They had to kill all those puts this morning. All those puts got murdered at open, and now everybody ended up either getting stopped out or either selling, and now they're all like, damn it, now the market's going lower. No, the bounce this morning at open wasn't for calls. It was to get all the guys that were holding puts overnight to get out. And then also, I guess, to make people buy calls as well. Sorry. But my theory was that they didn't want to pay out on all those puts. So they kind of popped the market right at open, get everybody out of their puts, and then crash it down. The market makers, man, they're tricky sons of guns. You wouldn't need maintenance margin to trade at night. You just need maintenance margin to hold a position through the nightly session. So if you open a position during the normal trading hours and then you hold it over through the end of day when the market closes, then you need the margin. But if you're just trading at night and you're not holding the position between sessions, you're just normal trading. It's not maintenance trading or maintenance margin or overnight requirements. I don't know, I'm like putting way too much effort into explaining margin right now. Need to use my brain power to make money here. Market just going lower here. 272 on the Qs now. Getting denied there at the V-wap earlier. That was a pretty clear short opportunity. I don't even need to. Hopefully you guys saw that one. So we're right where we opened at. Market opened at this level, this 272 level. So definitely not going to short just yet. I would like to see a push. Get a push back up to the EMAs here. I talked about this the other day. I mean, like, every time that I end up shorting or getting long on the MNQ or on the NQ when we're like far off that EMA, we end up pushing back that EMA anyway. So I'm not going to be stupid here. I'm going to let it kind of figure out. I like to see a push back up. Even if we don't get it right now, like, it'll come at some point. Like, at some point, we're going to push back up to that EMA and test it. And then that'll be my short opportunity if it's a short opportunity. You know what I mean? Patience is key, my friends. Patience is key. Well, I think your 269 would be yesterday's low, and then that would be a pretty good target here today. Yeah, I mean, 11,100 area would be. What move am I planning to make? Right now, we're just waiting. We're watching. No plans right now. I'd like to see a pushback up, get denied for a opportunity to get short. What do I look for a buy signal to go long? I mean, I want to see a trend change. Like, let's say we push up from here and we get back above the V-wap and we push above 274.50 area. Well, then I might think about getting long. But as of right now, we're definitely more biased to being short. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. We got 56 likes, 119 people watching. Not much to ask for, I don't think. Help me. Come on, let's go. So pushing back up now. Let's see what happens here. If we get a push back up. Just being patient, waiting, watching. Like I said, looking for that EMA to get touched. How much do I make every day? It honestly depends. Every day is different. I wouldn't say there's like a set amount. Some days you make $100. Some days you make $200. Some days you make $500. Some days you make $1,000. It just depends on the market, to be honest. It's hard to like say exactly, obviously. I wish I could just say exactly how much I would make every day. It would be nice. But there's just no. What causes me to trade the Qs versus SPY? Honestly, right now, I've just been trading the Qs, the NASDAQ, but always keeping an eye on the SPY. Like, I've got the SPY charts, the ES charts pulled up always. I want to see the NASDAQ and the SPY moving together. That obviously makes me feel better, you know, about either like making a breakout or a breakdown when they're both moving together. Just gives me more confidence in the move, right? Like, you want to see that correlation, as I call it. Some good correlation. Trying to be patient here. Market might just start selling again here. God damn it, come on. I want to see a pushback up here. A little bit more pushback up, boys. Get through the 272 here. We're just going to sell. Oh. Holding 272 right now. We'll see if we can get a good entry here. Little pushback up for a short. Like to see a break below 272, get down there 269. I think would be pretty good target. Yesterday's low. So you can push up like 273 here. Push up 273, 273.50 area would be nice little push up for a short opportunity, I think. Just got to get up there. Come on, give me a push up. Give me a push up. Give me a push up here. Market does not want to break that 272 level, so let's see what happens here. Another consolidation at this point. If we can break below 272 here. We're gonna go low, low, low. There we go. See if we can start moving down here again. Get below the low of day. I'd say below the 160s. Currently short right now, looking for a move down below the 60s here. $68's getting touched there. I like to see a move below 60s. There's 61 getting touched. Beautiful. Get the break below 60 here. $271.50 on the Qs right now. Getting another fill there at 56. Holding one contract here, looking for a break below the 50s now. Down to the 53s, the low so far. Still holding one contract. Like to see a push below the 50s here. And there we go. 48's getting filled. Beautiful. Let's go, boys. Fresh Cash Friday. We're going all the way to Party Town. Oh, fuck. The spam bot is back. There we go. Down to the 36s, 35s now. Dumping, dumping, dumping. There's that break that we were looking for below the 272s. Down to 278 right now, 270s. There's we have a new Discord, a free Discord. I posted up kind of, we're all talking about ideas and everything. So there's a link in the chat box if you guys want to join us in Discord. It's there. We're trading the NASDAQ. We're trading the Qs right now. The MNQs here. There's that sell, sell, sell all the way down. Look at that big old boner candle to the downside. From the 200s down to the 30s. And the 20s. Beautiful. See if we got another little pushback up here. So looking like the low the other day down there, kind of like the 70s or 60 area here. Little pushback up now. Little push back up, 271, kind of bouncing off that 270.50 area. Kind of yesterday's little consolidation level. The market going green to red now. The market going green to red. Pre-market we were up and now we're back down. We're flirting right now. We're green to red. We're like red, we're green, we're red, we're green. Which way are we gonna go? Which way are we gonna go, boys? Some capitulation here off the bottom. Nice little spike back up. Capitulation. Really ripping it back up here. Why do I jump back and forth? Got different charts, man. See what happens on this next candle at that 272 level here. Are we gonna get denied? Fresh Cash Friday, let's go. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. We got 71 likes, 112 people watching. Pop it off. Pop it off, boys. Market pushing back up here, forming a big old bear flag. See if it gets denied here. So getting denied, looking like we're gonna sell back here. Be careful though. Look for, you know, look for a better entry here. Oh, everyone's got a lot of questions today. I don't get paid enough to answer all the questions. If you guys have like some serious questions that you want answered, you gotta fucking hit the donation button or something. Help me out here. You want it? You want my attention? You gotta throw me some dollar bills. I'm like a stripper. You can donate right through the stream there on YouTube if you really have a question that wants to be answered. The SPY down down almost 1% on the day. The NASDAQ right at that green to red spot. So the battle is real. The bulls, the bears, everyone's battling. pushing back up here, watching the EMAs on the 3-minute chart on the NASDAQ. We get a push back up maybe to the 11,200 level. Or if this bear flag here just breaks the downside here. See what happens here on this candle. What's going to happen on this candle? The $1 million question. Watching it right here. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna break back up or get denied? Bear flag. Little pushback up here. See what happens to 272s. So 272, looking to see if we get denied at 272. We can hold there and see if we can't sell through here again. Break this bear flag. Break the bear flag. Break below 270 50s. Let's see. This is the 3-minute chart we're looking at right now. 3-minute chart. The SPY, both the SPY and the Q, both looking like a big old bear flag right now, so. See what happens here. Roy Jenkins, all my stuff looking red. All right, so looking like we're gonna break down here. Let's see that fine line here. Oh, bouncing right now, but I think we go lower here. I think we go lower. Come on, boys. Sell, 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 sell. $271 getting tested again. Can we break right through it? Yes, we can. Like to see if we break through 270.50 here. Currently short, looking for a breakdown. Taking a little bit of profit. It is Fresh Cash Friday, my friends. Don't ever be afraid to take... Oh, got all those fills right there. Whoopsies. Profit's profit, my friends. It's almost 11 o'clock. It's Friday. And, well, I don't know if you guys know how I feel about Fridays, but I don't love Friday. Well, I love Fridays, but I don't love flirting with disaster on a Friday. We had a really good setup there for a short. You can see that 272 level on the NASDAQ getting denied. Like I talked about, that 272 level there on the NASDAQ getting denied right there. And then also look how perfectly this lined up. Remember I said earlier how there's no point in getting into a trade unless we like push back up to that EMA. And well, there it is, the EMA. We push right back up to there. And oh, she's going lower. She's going lower, baby. She's flirting with disaster. So. Uh-oh, 270.50 holding right now. But yeah, if you guys want to come check us out, we got the new Discord set up. We got 255 members right now. We're all in there bouncing ideas around, talking about life and all that fun stuff. So I'll put a link. I think I put a link already, but I'll put another link for you guys in the chat box. It's free. Just trying to get as many like traders in there as possible to kind of bounce ideas and work together and share, share ideas on the market. The more people working together, the more people looking at the market, the more people looking for opportunities, the more, I'd say, better success there is. So the EMA right now on my 3-minute chart is I think it's the 13-minute EMA, or the 13 EMA. Yeah, it's the 13 EMA on the 3-minute chart. And then on the 15-minute chart, I've got the 21, which is... It might be too much, actually. Let me see what happens if I put the 13 on the 15. Not much. It's all right. So a little pushback off that 270.50 here. Remember, it is Friday, guys. The market makers don't want to pay out on puts and they don't want to pay out on calls. So... Put the age minimum on the room at 35. I'm only 33. So I won't be allowed to enter the Discord. Seems unfair. It's 270.50 area bouncing support there right now. So we'll see what happens. This 15-minute chart's is kind of really oversold right now. So you can see on the 15-minute chart how far we are from the V-wap. I'd be interested maybe to see what happens after this candle closes. We'll see what happens here. Right now holding that 270.50 and on the SPY trying to hold 362. So like I said, it's Friday. Those market makers don't like to pay out on those options. They don't like paying out those options. A 15-minute chart right now looking like she wants to reverse here, to be honest. Could just be a range day. Could just kind of range between this 270.50 and 276 area. It's very, very, very possible as well, especially on a Friday here, going into the long weekend, just kind of going sideways. I wouldn't even say I'm not going sideways, but just being in that range. Like Foxtrot said, they would love to just kind of burn up all that premium. Best way to do that now is just to basically pop the market up and down for the rest of the day. That 15-minute candle right now really kind of pushing back here. Got 7 minutes left here on that 15-minute candle to close. I think if we get back above 272.50, it could be could get interesting maybe. You know, at least test the V-wap. At least test the V-wap. The V-wap on the Qs right now at the 273.50 level. No trading on Monday. It's June 10th. It's, I don't even fuck, like what? It's June 19th holiday, 19th holiday. I don't know. It's one of those some, and then we have July 4th coming up as well. So I hate 3-day weekends. I don't even want the weekend. I want it every day. I want the market open every day, baby. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, every day. Juneteenth. Juneteenth. Is that how you say it? Juneteenth or June 19th? Juneteenth. It's Juneteenth. See what happens here with this candle. We got that little, the high on that candle being 271.54. Kind of looking like she wants to reverse here. We got that EMA. We're still below the EMA on the 3-minute chart. Bike week, baby. Ha! What am I planning to do? We're just sitting back. We're waiting and watching right now. Waiting and watching. Right now, I like to see what happens here. We're pushing back up. We got the EMA right there. If we get denied again, could be a short opportunity, but still, just don't love. I don't love the 15-minute chart right here. I like to see it close on the 15-minute chart. That candle, man, it's just like, it's like wicking straight. Both of those last 15-minute candles holding that 11,000, 1,200, or whatever you call it, the 120 area here. So just being patient. See what happens like at this area here. Could be a reversal off the bottoms down here. Get above 272 here. Look at the volume as well through this move. Interesting. Got a lot of volume in this area too on the volume profile from earlier that we're pushing up into now, so. Could end up acting as resistance there as we push back up into that area of volume from earlier. That red line's POC, I believe. Waiting to see if we can break above this 272 level. I think we break above 272, we can get moving again here. Push up the 273s. I mean, there's a lot. There's just a lot going on. I think kind of almost like we need to break above this 273 level first. Am I waiting for it to go up or down? Pretty much. We're pretty much waiting for it to go up or down. Just waiting to see kind of where these candles close at. We're always watching these candles. The 50-minute candle got 52 seconds left on it, and look at that big old pushback up there. So, I mean, the 15-minute chart's not looking as bearish as the 3-minute chart, especially now that it held that level there. So, looking at the 15-minute chart, I'm a little less willing to get short here after that big pushback up on those two wicks on those 15-minute candles. So see what happens here. Get a push up to the 272.50 level. Need to hold 271.50s. That 15-minute candle just closed now, so a little bit of indecision. Oh, they're gonna literally do that right now? They're gonna dump that? Look at that last close on that 15-minute candle. Huh. This is what you gotta love, man. It's the market, baby. It's always sending out, you know, signals, like trying to basically trick us into thinking like, oh, is this a long, is this a short? And now look at it. Fuck. Now it's looking shorty again here. We're watching the Qs right now. This is the QQQ on the chart, guys. Come on, let's go. Focus, focus, focus. So pulling back now, back to that 271 area again. Having trouble there at the 272s. Could be a little fake out, just kind of waiting. This area here, man, is tricky. Look at them, they're totally faking it out right now. They're able to push this over the 272s here, get a little squeeze going. Trying to trap the bears down there. That's exactly what they're doing. Trying to trap shorts. Let the shorts think it's gonna go down and then pop it back up here. The market makers are smart, man. The market makers are smart, boys. Push up to the 272.50 here. Get over this over the 200s on the M&Q here. That's what I'm looking for. My target up to the 95s now. Can we push over the 200s? Selling a little bit there. I think we got a pretty good chance of pushing over the 200s right now, right here. We're at 96s. Looking for a push over the 200s. Can she get it? Up to the 98s, up to 97s. Looking for a 200 break. There it is, 205. Beautiful. Pushing up. We're up $65 on that last final contract. And let's give it a little bit more time here. 210s for a push up. Get above this level here. 210. Maybe push 220 really quickly. 208's pushing now. We're long from the 72s, so we're up almost 40 handles now. See a little bit more in it. 208's right now. 208's pushing. 210s. I'm going to lock it there at 210. It's it, you know, it can go higher. It can go higher, but right now my targets are my targets. So there's that pushback up. Total fake out. Literally just a total fake out. Like I said, trapping those shorts. When I saw this candle start to push back up, I knew exactly what they're doing, trying to trap those shorts there. They let it drop back down. They let it drop really quickly, and then they just squeeze it back up, get all those shorts to get squeezed out there. So there it is. And now pushing back up to 273 level now. So 270, 272.50 getting broken right through there, just like we wanted. And then we got the V-wap up there at the 273.50 level now to keep an eye on next. So there we go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 100 people watching, 83 likes. Let's go, boys. It was a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap, boys. So now it'll be interesting. Do we break right through this resistance here? Keep squeezing higher. Can we do it? Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, baby. I can see 273 here. You can see it push over 273. We can get it. Currently long on the M&Q, looking to sell a little bit here. We're up $80 on 3 contracts, up to the 220s now. Trying to push through there. Got 1 contract left, looking for a little bit more here. A little bit more, boys. Can we get it? A push above 272. Or 273, sorry, 273 on the Qs now. Let's go. Pushing, 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 pushing. And we're out, 226. Beautiful. Woo, baby. It's Fresh Cash fucking Friday, boys. What the fuck? Let's go. All right, all right. Beautiful day. It's happening. The sun's not even out yet here in Hawaii, and I'm already fucking making money, boys. Let's go. Literally, back to back to back to fucking back. Let's go. I don't know about you guys, but fuck. Look at this. That right there, if you ever see this happen, if you ever see this right here, this is called a trap, right? It's called a trap. Got to keep an eye on those. Trading those traps, baby. There's nothing better. There's nothing better than getting a good trap. Going back to the V-wap and then dumping again. That's what Dave Trader thinks. I don't know. I think we're going higher still. I think there's a good possibility of retesting the highs here. Still pushing up to the 52s now. Fuck, I took profit at the 20s. Look at this thing. Still going. Look at that big old boner candle. Wowzers. I'm jacked. I'm jacked to the tits. I'm jacked. I'm jacked to the fucking tits. To the tits. I might go watch Wolf of Wall Street after this, you know? It's Friday. Get my Wolf of Wall Street vibes on this weekend. You know, just have a good old time, boys. The SPY pushing up to the VWAP as well here. The SPY, the Q, all kind of pushing up together here. The market trying to get going here. The NASDAQ up 0.8% right now, and the SPY still red on the day. Still red on the day on the SPY right now. So we pushed above the VWAP here up to the 273.70 level, 274 being the next area. And then that 274.60 area from earlier. So I'm kind of just sitting back here waiting and watching. Like I said earlier, that EMA, man, that EMA is so powerful. I pretty much like, I don't enter a trade unless we're like close to that EMA. I know it's like, oh, you're crazy, Patrick, but look, it makes my life so much easier. Because now I'm like, well, I can't enter this trade. I can't FOMO into it because we're too far from the EMA. We're too far from it. I need a pullback. Guys, if you haven't already hit that fucking subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting on. There is no, where are you gonna subscribe? Are you gonna go to Trade Trades and try to buy AMC? What are you gonna do? You gotta go to Ricky Gutierrez and trade this fucking TQQ all day? Come on. Let's go. We all know where the real money's being made at here on YouTube. Let's go. It's the futures market, boys. If you're not trading futures, you're missing out on a lot of opportunities. It used to be the small caps. You know, it used to be you trade the small cap stocks, but now it's the futures, baby. So no, it's the 13 EMA on my 3-minute chart. It's the NASDAQ. It's the NASDAQ. Looking for like maybe one more opportunity here and then I might be done. One more opportunity. Let's see if we get it. Just need a pullback here. Probably because your trading view. Well, I'm on the QQQ, not the NASDAQ. Maybe because you're. I don't know. Maybe because you're not getting the live data. Someone said it's frustrating trying to decipher what you're saying. You speak for both directions and you come out saying you're bullish. I mean, we're trading, right? Like that's what we're doing. We're looking for both sides. Every time I enter a trade, I'm looking both long and short. What's the upside for being long? What's the downside for being short? Every fucking trade. There is nobody like I'm never sitting here just going like, oh, you know, I'm never like 100% bullish or bearish. Well, sometimes for a trade, but like when we're trading, I mean, we're looking for opportunities both long and short, you know. And obviously, when things change, when things are changing, you know, so quickly, like earlier when I said, I was like, oh, when this thing got denied there and we started dropping, I was like, oh, that's not good. And then all of a sudden it starts squeezing back up. I mean, you know, you had 3 minutes You had a drop. The first minute, the candle just dropped like a rock down to the 271s. And then, you know, I'm like, oh, fuck. Is this thing going to be a short now? And then it squeezed back up. I think, too, right now, the market's kind of just, you know, ranging here. And kind of going up and down, but... clarifying my position. See, so that's the thing is like I'm in a position quick. I'm in and out. I'm not sitting here holding positions. This is the 3-minute chart on the NQ that we're trading right there. Luckily for you, this is a free fucking live stream and I can do whatever I want. Once I start charging, you know, $500 a day for the live stream, then I'll be more clear on my entries. $500 per day. Let's go. I mean, it's just, I don't know, it's kind of frustrating because it's like I fucking wake up at 3:30 in the morning to do these live streams and then people just complain. Like, I know a lot of people support it, but then it's just like frustrating when the people complain. You know, I don't know what to say. This is definitely not a live stream where I'm going to tell you exactly what to do on every single trade. I mean, that's not my MO. It's never been my MO. So I apologize if it doesn't fit what you want. Listen, if you want me to read your comments and concerns, take out a $100 bill, write your comment on the $100 bill, and then drop it in the comment box, and I will read it later. Still watching to see what happens here. We're right at that V-wap area. This could still be a turn down. I want to make it very clear. We're pretty much at a 50-50 right here, right? Like this could be bullish. This could be bearish. The market, it's Friday. Like I don't have a crystal ball. If I had a crystal ball, I would not fucking be on YouTube trading. That's for sure. I would just wake up in the morning, place one trade, and then go to bed. But yeah, I mean, literally right now, like you could flip a coin. You could literally flip a coin right now and you'd have a better chance of figuring out which way this market's gonna go right now. Like, I wish if I had a coin right now, I would literally flip it and that would be my chance. Pasta in a mug, can I borrow your crystal ball? Look at that, Ben Ryan Black, let's go. But honestly though, like guys, like it's not that I hate to be that guy, you know, left, right, you know, up, down kind of guy, but I mean that's the market today, right? Like the market literally is kind of just going up and down. We went up, we went down, we went back up. Earlier, I mean, I felt like I called the 276 push pretty good. I thought that 276 call was pretty good this morning. I'm just saying. Also, if you guys are just tuning in, you haven't heard about the big news. Big news, boys. We got the Discord live, so if you want to come hang out and talk to all the friends and fun people, so there's a link there in the chat box. It's totally free Discord for traders. It's gonna be we got 262 people in there now. We're popping off, baby. It's happening. If you don't get enough Patrick Wieland, just from watching the live streams, you can spend more time with me in Discord. See, like right now, this is looking very interesting because look, now we just got basically denied twice there at the 274 level. So still, like literally 100%, this is still a 50-50. It's just almost impossible. There's a squeeze up. Wow. Look at that. Big old squeeze up there. Fuck. I missed it. God damn it. I got a text message. Wow. Wow. That would have been the move right there. I should have jumped in on that one if I wasn't fucking texting. God damn it. Don't text me don't text me, people. It's fucking 5 o'clock in the morning. Why are you texting me for right now? God damn it. Look at that, 50-point move. Literally, just went to the moon. From the 250s almost to the 300s now. How did I just miss out on that? Literally, what the fuck? What was I doing? Don't text and drive, or trade. No texting and trading. That's frustrating. How did I, oh my. Fuck. Blew it right there. Market trying to push back up here above the 300 11,300 level. The high so far 11,350 on the NQ. So let's see what happens here. We're getting some more action. I'd say it's very doable that we can push up to the 276 level again with this current action we got. After that, it's anybody's game. I would be more bullish now. To make it clear, I would be more bullish for this to push than for it to drop, as long as we can hold above the V-wap. It needs to hold the 273.50 level. 273.50, 273 level would be a key level to hold for the bulls. I don't love that it got denied like that, but I think it's just part of the day right now that we're in. And now, like, watch this next candle just go, like, right back up there. So you had a lot, I think a lot of shorts probably just try to sell through that right there. All that selling pressure there at the 11,300 level on the NQ. So. See this next candle just rip right back up there. I'll be watching the 11,300 level for an entry if I was to get long. If we can break above that right now at that resistance from earlier, that 274 area of resistance there. So might take a little bit of time, consolidation to break through there. It's nap time. It's getting close to nap time, that's for sure. It is Fresh Cash Friday. They're texting me again. Damn it, now I gotta answer it. Here, I'm gonna answer this. I'm Trader's Terminal on Discord. Yeah, that's my Discord. It was not a text message from Margaret Robbie, but it was actually a text message from a beautiful lady back in Florida. So similar, very similar, I would say. Actually, they're both tall, they're both blonde. And yeah, no, yeah, no, there's some similarities there for sure. Other similarities as well. All right, so I got the V-wap there at the 273.50 level. We're just sitting back here, we're waiting, we're watching, looking for the next opportunity. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 100 people watching, we got 93 likes. I think we can break through 93, 100 likes all day. Let's go, boys. So some indecision up here right now. The market's kind of like, okay, you know, which way are we gonna go? And I think it's still pretty much anyone's game. If we can't hold the V-wap, gonna test the low again. If we can hold here, good chance of squeezing up. I wish I had a better, like a more precise answer, but it's just not that simple. Brian, a 5'10" blonde from Boca. Oh man, that sounds like trouble. That sounds like trouble. And them Boca girls, you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with those. Ben Ryan Black making $1,000 today. Let's go. Yeah, no, Ben's a new member, baby. Let's go. You want to be a part of the best team in the world? You sign up right fucking now. Let's go, boys. All right, so we're right there at the V-wap now again. 15-minute chart. Just ugh. It's a wiki day, my friends. This is a wiki day. Look at these wicks. I mean, we got wicks. Lots of wicks here. Lots of, I mean, literally, like, look at yesterday's move and look at today's move. I mean, we went up. We pretty much went to the high of yesterday's move. We went back to the low of yesterday's move, and then we're almost back to the high again. And it's only 11:30. Some serious wick there, you know? Foxtrot, you got to verify, bro. I can't verify for you. Go to the verify here spot in Discord and you can verify yourself. All right, let's see what happens here. A last little 3-minute candle trying to push up here. 274 on the Qs right now. Can she push? Got to push up there above 275. Push above 275 here. The birds are chirping, the fucking roosters are crowing, baby. It's Fresh Cash Friday. The sun's it's still pretty dark out. It's currently 5:30 here in Hawaii. 5:27, but 5:30 pretty much. All right, so we're watching here. I want to see if we get a push above this 11,300 level. She's pushing. Look, I'm kind of impressed on this, on the wickiness right now. See if he's gonna push through the 11,300 here. Showing strength. Going straight to the moon again. Big old boner candle here. For a little push up there, 275 flat. Let's see if we can get it. Trying to push up there, 275 to break through that. As much as they didn't want it to break to the downside earlier, I don't know if they wanted to push to the upside either. What times do the surfers go to catch the waves at the beach? Depends. When there's waves, people will be out there like right at sunrise, maybe a little earlier than sunrise. Market having a little trouble here. We got that push up to the 275, not wanting to break right through there, but still. Oh. What happens here now? Let's see, 275. Can she break through here? Squeeze, baby, squeeze. And there we go. Looking for a push up here. Gonna sell into this. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I like my fresh cash and I like it fast. I like it hard. And see if we can push up to the 310s here. Putting an order out there, see if I get filled in. Getting filled. I'm done. I'm fucking done for the day. I was telling myself I was gonna take one more trade there, and there we go. We got one more trade in, so I'm fine. I'm happy. It's Friday. The last thing that I want to do. It is a 3-day weekend, my friends. A 3-day weekend. The last thing that I want to do is be red on fucking Friday, because then I'm gonna sit there and be like, "Oh, what did you do, Patrick? Why did you do this?" It's not a good feeling. Like, nothing is worse than having a red Friday. I mean, there are worse things, but in general, I would prefer to not have a red Friday, if that makes sense. There it is. Now the push to the 15s, to the 14s. Over that, there's that 15 handle move over the 300s. That was an alert, I guess. I put that out there, say to push over at 11,300. I said that, you know, I told people, I said it was gonna go. Market having, again, a little bit of trouble there. The volume really low right now. I'm not loving this. I think this is just kind of a grind. Like, the market makers are just grinding this. They basically got everybody to sell their puts at open. People started loading up, getting short again, and then they rally it back up. All those people that bought puts are now selling for a loss, and here we are. You gotta love it. Manipulation at its finest, baby. Like, this is not normal market condition. Like, the market, you know, like, I mean, like, the market's not gonna go up and then go down, stop, and then just go back up because of people. It's just literally because there's the market makers don't want to pay out those premiums on those options, baby. That's all this is. Up to the 316, 320 area now. God damn it. Foxtrot. I don't. Oh gosh. Why is my life so hard? Foxtrot. I can't even find you. How do I find you? Fuck. Everybody else had no problem verifying, but Foxtrot did. I don't even see you in the Discord. Like, I literally don't even see you in there anywhere. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I don't know. Can't find you. Are you sure you're in the right Discord? What is going on? I don't understand. You clicked on the... So you went into the Discord, right? You went into the Discord. Right? You went in the Discord here. You joined. Then you go here to verification. And you click right there on that little thing. You clicked on that? You clicked on that right there? I don't know. Everybody else seems to be having no problem. I don't know. I don't know. If you guys want to join our free Discord, there's a link in the chat box there. Check them out. Check it out. Check it out. So the market having some trouble not being able to push up there 275 now. So let's see what happens here. Nice little dipperoonie. Got to refuel the rocket ship here. Traders Terminal, yeah. We chat in the pit. On the floor, baby, the pit. Hey, the Foxtrot, you're in there. What are you talking about? He's in the Discord, don't worry. We found him. We found the guy. He was lost, but we found him. I thought the pit was like explanatory, you know, like it made sense, like trading the pit, you know. That's what I thought. So we're just sitting back here, we're waiting, we're watching, we're looking for opportunities. Always patience, my friends. Patience. Let's go. Oh. Market having trouble pushing up there. That volume was pretty, I wouldn't say evident, but look at that volume down there. Just low volume right now. See what happens here. Get the V-wap now at the 273.48. I think best case scenario, you pull back to the V-wap, you consolidate, and then maybe get one more test of that high. But like I said, it is Friday. It's a 3-day weekend, and yeah, 3-day weekend, Friday. The market makers playing games right now, keeping this market range, killing the options both up and down. Killing those options, baby. They don't want to sell. The SPY right now back above the VWAP here. How's AMC doing? I haven't looked at AMC today. AMC at $12. Whoop the fucking dude all day. Imagine holding a stock that you thought was gonna go to $1,000 and it was $12 for like months. How long has this thing been at the $12 level? AMC has been bouncing off the $12 level since May. God. I'd rather stab myself in the face than own AMC stock. My eyeballs. Stab myself in the eyeballs here. Trying to push back up. Look at that. The SPY and the Qs now trying to push back up here above that 11,300 level again. Let's see if we can get it. Market's just pushing. Don't worry, Matt. It's never gonna happen because I'm never gonna buy AMC. I'll never buy that fucking stock. Maybe if it went to 1,000. If it goes to $1,000, maybe I'll buy it there because it'll be a good investment, right? If I don't want to buy an AMC at $12, though, buying it at $100 would make very much sense. Wow, we got 97 likes, 90 people watching. I think we can do it. We need 3 more likes. 3 more likes is all we need, boys. Just 3. 3 more freaking likes. They're just playing games right now. They're just playing games. That's what they're doing. They're playing games. This market's playing games right now. What happened, Matt? What happened? Market trying to make a move here, but just not really doing it. It's we're in the middle of the day right now, so it might be some consolidation, some choppiness until we get to the end of the day here. That 250 level on the NASDAQ. What do you mean no more money? How much did you lose, Matt? Let's hear it. How much did you lose? What have I been telling this guy? I've been telling Matt for the last fucking week now that trying to scalp these little choppiness was not going to be a good plan. Come on, Matt. What have we been talking about this? Literally in the chat, in the Discord every day. You lost $2,500. So much for having a fucking hard stop loss. Come on, guys. This is some amateur shit. Amateur shit right there. You didn't know it was gonna, oh my. Matt's Matt's in our Discord. He's a big supporter. Love the guy. But I've been telling him for the last week, you know, he's been getting a little too aggressive. Been talking about like, oh, I made $1,000, did this, and I'm like, bro, you know, you gotta understand that it's not always gonna be easy, quote unquote easy, you know. It's easy to give back money, that's for sure. Market trying to pull back here. We're at the V-wap right now. This could be the top of the range. Let's see. If we get a close below the V-wap, I'll look to start looking for more short opportunities. We're right there, like at this area of consolidation, so I want to be a little patient. This is where we were at kind of earlier, that area of consolidation. So until we get like a nice breakthrough there, I'm just kind of waiting, watching here. We did break below the EMA. We haven't broken below the EMA for some time, but remember earlier, they have been trapping today. I know exactly what Matt was thinking. Emotion, that's all it was. You don't lose $2,500. You don't lose $2,500 because you were, you know, making good trades or bad trades. Honestly, you don't even lose $2,500 trading in general. You literally lose $2,500 just going full tilt. This fucking naked bot. Get the bot out of here. Damn it. I gotta delete the bot messages. Cheapest Tinder. Does that ever work for anybody? Do you think anyone ever clicks on those bots? Do you guys? I don't think. You think anyone ever clicks on a bot and goes like, Roy Jenkins, you're the new moderator. Welcome to the party. The pay is really shitty, but the perks are really good. Steven met his wife by clicking on a bot on YouTube. Oh God, you gotta love it. This is why I enjoy the live streams, because at least instead of me just sitting here looking at a chart all day, at least I get to talk to somebody. Get to talk to you guys. What's funny is Steven is actually right down the road from me here in Hawaii. We're like neighbors, but we never actually met. We just trade stocks on the internet and talk on the live streams. Steven, we got to get you out there filming some foiling though. Be sick. Maybe this weekend there might be some waves. Supposed to be a south side swell, but I would rather. I hate going to town. I'd rather ride smaller waves on the North Shore, less people. Your drone needs some work. Uh-oh. I crashed my Mavic 3 the other day, or I would let you use my Mavic 3, but my Mavic 3 is no longer usable. Phantom 4 Pro, come on. Time for the Mavic 3, man. All right, so we're right there at the VWAP. Right now at the VWAP, can we hold that VWAP area? Like I said, that area of support from earlier, that 273.50 area, that was where we can kind of consolidated there. 273.50 right now, so can we hold there? Can we hold? 273.50, can he hold there? The $1 million question. Maybe get one more big push up here. I kind of wish I could just go take a nap and then come back at the end of the day here. I'm worried that this could just be kind of some sideways choppy action. It's almost 12 o'clock, almost noon now. And like I always talk about, like I don't know why, but like I just have the worst performance in the middle of the day. I think it comes down to me like over trading, and then also like the market just gets a little bit more choppy through the middle of the day. So a lot of wiki wicks up there. 15-minute candles right at the EMA right now on the NQ. Just bounced off the EMA actually. Steven pushing, telling everybody, hey, I'm green on the day right now, and I don't want to give back any profits, but I do feel like there could be another good setup here if we can hold here, but just not loving that we're in the middle of the day here. Having trouble right there, that last candle getting denied, so maybe we break below this low here, get back below the VWAP. The market's up 0.7% right now on the day. The SPY is actually still red. So let's see what happens here. A little selling pressure coming through there now. 273 coming up. So losing that VWAP right now, if this candle can't somehow squeeze back up above the VWAP, it could be bearish, bearish, bearish. The 15-minute chart breaking through the EMA there as well. So rut row looking like we're gonna test that low again. It would need to basically reverse like right here, unless they're trying to trap the shorts again. I would say they got a minute and a half here to push this back up. Minute and a half. Matt's down $2,500 on the day. He's still placing trades. Oh gosh. This is never a good sign. What's this market doing? It's just doing exactly what you're seeing on the chart right now. It's going up, it's going down. It's in a range. It's Friday. Market makers don't want this market to move up or down. They want it to sit right here. Even on that little drop there, just not like breaking right through that area. Just sitting back here, waiting and watching. See if we get a little push up here to the V-wap again, get denied. See if that'll happen. Or we just start to sell here. That's possible as well. Getting the sell. Getting some orders out there, trying to get some fills. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I want my cash, I want it fresh, and I want it hot. There we go. Nice little dip-a-rooney. I don't love it. I'm gonna be done trading. I know I'm gonna be done trading now because I feel like I'm just scalping for nothing. Yeah, I'm making profit on these trades, but is it really good for me to keep trading right now? I don't think so. I'm okay with walking away, at least for now. I think my best bet is just to call it a day. It's almost 12 o'clock. I've been trying to stop myself from trading through the middle of the day. I just don't need to. You know, like I know if I look back at all of my profits, everything, like all my best trades, they always happen between 9:30 and 11. The middle of the day is always where I lose money. Like, and I know that's like, obviously, you know, I can work on that, but like, I know that the majority of my profit is made in the morning. So why force myself to try to trade through the middle of the day when I know that I just don't trade well in the middle of the day? So that's my thesis, at least the way I look at it. I've also been awake since 3:30 here, and it's currently almost 6 a.m. Kind of watching. I always keep the charts pulled up. I'm always kind of keeping an eye on the market throughout the day, but I think as of right now, it's probably best to call it a day. I don't know. We've been live here on YouTube now for almost 2.5 hours. I feel pretty good about it. Fresh Cash Friday. It's a 3-day weekend, boys. The last thing I want to do is give away my profits. Nah. So yeah, there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. We got the Discord going. We'll be in the Discord. I'm always like in the Discord talking. The members are in there talking. It's good times. If you guys haven't already checked out the Discord, there's a link there in the chat box. So check that out. I'll put a little recap. I recorded all the trades today. And I'll put a recap on the channel later on today. And then I got some more new stuff coming out. We're working on stuff. We got big plans. I'm excited. My life is just getting better and better every day, baby. Health, mental, financial. Let's go. It's a 3-day weekend, Theo. We got Juneteenth. Juneteenth is what it is. And we're not excited for it. I hate the weekend first off, and I really hate a 3-day weekend. It's like I want my Monday. Give me my Monday. That's a trading day. I want a profit, baby. Mega Money Mondays. Who the fuck took away my Mega Money Monday? Bullshit. Some real bullshit right there. All right, so yeah, have a good weekend, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. Remember, the market's always gonna be there, right? Like I tell people all the time, like the best thing when I'm done for the day trading, like I'm done. I don't think about it. I don't, like I'm done. I walk away, I turn it all off, and I enjoy life. The worst thing you can do is try to fucking constantly just be worried about the market and thinking about it. And like, I know people that try to trade like futures at nighttime and all that. It's like, nah, man, like just make your money, live your life, and then wait for the next opportunity, wait for the next day and do it. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. I'll talk to you guys later on. And yeah, have a good weekend. Enjoy it. Peace.